Hi there. I'm really excited to show you EarthGPT. If you go to earthgpt.app, you will see the application. It's an app to help people analyze satellite imagery using natural language. And it's a really great way to get into analyzing satellite data, even if you don't previously know how to use the satellite information. There are two main types of data sets that you often get with satellites. One is multispectral, and another is hyperspectral, and multispectral is probably the most common. And it's really designed to work with multispectral and hyperspectral information. So when you come into the landing page, you will see a bunch of projects here, and you can say play with the demo, and it'll load up some information, some maps, and these represent a particular data set that's been loaded using a data set available online for public consumption. This one particularly comes from a data set called the NAIP. It's a aerial survey from the US, and it has near infrared and visible light bands. We started off by, on the right here, you can see an AI assistant with a chat-like interface where you can ask it questions. So I'm here asking it to show me the turbidity in the water. So the original data in visible spectrum looks like this, but when we asked it to show me the turbidity, you can start to see the variation in the water here. For example, there's a lot of detail about the channel that's leading up to this particular industrial area and port, and there's no information that there's a channel here, but here you can see that clearly in the spectrum by applying this particular turbidity index that the AI has picked for us. And if I click on this, it'll also cite the paper that describes this particular turbidity index. So it's really a great way to play around with satellite imagery and start to get a handle what is possible with satellite imagery. So here I'm saying, show me water, and it goes, okay, I'm going to show you water, but it's going to pick a new index called the normalized difference water index. And I can just look at that and say, okay, go ahead and change that. And there you can see all the water now showing up in this light blue color. It says here that the lighter colors indicate non-water features, but actually it's applying this incorrectly. It's a bit of hallucination. But these are just things that we're going to fix as we develop this. So show me vegetation, and the show me vegetation is looking for a DVI index, and I can say apply that, and there you go. It's found that there is a lot of there's some park area here that's showing up as green. Oops. And we can see here there's an industrial area with very little vegetation, but here there's a park, and that's showing up as gray. And if I continue with my conversation here, so then I said, show me built-up areas. So the built-up areas, it's using an index called NDBI, and normalized built-up index. Again, you can cite the paper here, and if I apply that, you can start to see the warmer colors represent the built-up areas. So this is a quick tour of EarthGPT. You can go to earthgpt.app and try it out yourself. And reach out if you have any questions on hi@earthgpt.app, and be happy to learn how you like it or get some feedback. Thank you.